What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to be making a beat using Native Instruments Lo-Fi Glow, right? So if this is your first time here, please do me a favor, join XCC Tunes family by subscribing to the channel and share this video to all your friends and family, right? Okay, I'm going to make a lo-fi beat today, and I'm going to load up the plugins from Native Instrument Lo-Fi Glow. This is a very cool plugin. It has really nice lo-fi sound, and you don't have to do a lot of stuff with this plugin. It sounds really good out of the box. So let me load up the plugin first. Okay guys, so here's the plugin. I'm using key interference patch. If I want, I can change these parameters, but I don't think it's needed. It sounds really good out of the box. So I'm going to compose a melody using this plugin. Let's get started. The tempo of this beat is at 140. Okay, that sounds okay. Okay, so I like this melody. Now I'm going to add a kick. Okay, like that. Let me quantize. I'm going to add another kick here. I'm going to copy and paste. Yep. I think that's enough for this kick. Let's add a snare. Okay, that sounds good. Let's add a hi-hat. Now this hi-hat is going to be playing a straight 8 note. Let's record it. Okay, that's enough. I won't be quantizing the hi-hat right now, except for this part here. I'm just going to move these 3 notes here just a little bit. Dope. Okay, I'm gonna add another hi-hat just to create some kind of bouncy rhythm. Okay, I'm gonna use a higher octave for this hi-hat. I like the second part, which starts from here. Okay, I like this one. Okay, now I'm gonna add a open hi-hat. Let's record it. Now let's add a bass. No, let's add a chord first. I'm going to load up another Native Instruments plugin, which is the Rhodes Mark III or Mark II. Okay, I'm going to start with the A minor chord. Then it goes to F major and then D minor. Yeah, let's go. Now let's add a bass. Okay, for the bass I'm going to use another Native Instrument plugin, and that is Baker Bass. Let's go. So for the bass I'm going to play of course the A note, and then the F, and then the D. But I'm going to move this up so something like that. Let me practice first. I think I want to go higher a bit. Like that. Let's do that. Okay, now for this part, this is going to be the hook. Okay, I'm gonna remove this for the verse. And the bass, I'm gonna use a very simple bass line for the verse, so it's gonna be like this. Oopsie. Let's add one more plugin here. Let's try that. Right, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna record another section here for the chorus. Don't forget to add the secret sauce. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna stretch this. Alright guys, so that's it for today. By the way, all the plugins that I use in this video is from Native Instrument and they are dope. So I hope you guys like this beat. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button and share this video to all your friends. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.